Hey guys, McFast here. I wanted to pass on a little tip. I'm soldering up some 90-degree bullet connectors for the battery, and I made this little jig that you can put your bullet down into as such. Then you take your wire and you lay that down across like this. Then you can actually weight your wire. It's not working too well right there like that, but we'll overcome that. Let me tin this up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Don't have the heating iron as hot as I'd like to. While we're waiting for this iron to heat up, I want to explain something to you guys. You haven't seen any speed runs primarily because of my lower back. I had failed back surgery in 2010 and been struggling, and it's been worse this year. And if I send the car down range and it ends up having a problem, it'll be hell for me to get there. Time I can get back into my truck and drive down there. So I'm kind of waiting on my nephew to be able to help me out, and that way he can be down at the end of the run in case something goes wrong between here and there, and grab the car for me. But anyway, I just wanted to explain that. Hopefully I'll be able to get out there here shortly. This morning wasn't too bad, but it's not been a very good afternoon. But anyway, I'm going to preheat this bullet connector up so that the solder will help stick. Solder don't stick to anything that's not hot. That's why you have a soldering iron capable of doing the job. I've got this Weller maxed out. I can't remember exactly what the model number is, but it's one of the red ones that you plug the soldering iron into the side. Anyway, that's probably getting plenty hot. I'm going to go ahead and melt this solder down in there now. Get that all nice and shiny. Now I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to help me. You can use hemostats, whatever you like, tweezers. Like I said, if I cut a groove in this, I'd be able to weight it down. Now I'm just going to heat from the top to get it down in there. Heat a little bit from the base. We want that all that solder to flow together really good. Make a good connection. And this is rosin core solder, not acid core solder. Electronics, you use rosin core. If you was repairing a radiator, you know, something brass or soldering some metal together, that's not electronics, you would use the acid core. Alright, we got that nice and shiny. It's going to take a minute for it to cool down because I have the bullet and the wire so hot. But anyway, that turns out makes a nice shiny solder joint there, if you can see that. Now I just put my heat shrink over it and then put a Dean's connector on the other end, and I'll be ready. I don't hook the balance lead up. I got another lead I use for balancing, and at any rate, that's all I got for now. I got something to show you all here next few days, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe, comment, rate, or like I guess it is in this case. And if you got channel stickers you'd like to trade, I've got some ready to go. Just hit me up with a PM and with your email or your address, however you want to do it, and we'll get them swapped. Everybody take care. Peace.